See, a part of the way we get people to buy our products is by understanding that, like a relationship, relationships are built in stages. Before watching more, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Hi, I'm Graham Skaggs. I'm the video producer for Digital Blue Beagle. I create, shoot, produce, and edit video content. Many people think that creating Facebook video ad campaigns is simple, but it couldn't be farther from the truth. The problem is that many times business owners are approaching their marketing from a very simplistic point of view. They think that just showing their product or service in a still video or on their website is somehow going to magically drive sales. The problem is that you're missing out on an opportunity to persuade people of why your product is valuable. Video content allows you to dynamically engage your audience in what your product can do for them. A still image can't do that for you. Another mistake I see a lot of marketers and business owners doing is that when they create video, they approach their video content like a still ad. Let's show our product, let's show our service. And that's not gonna work either. See, a part of the way we get people to buy our products is by understanding that, like a relationship, relationships are built in stages. You meet someone for the first time. You're attracted to them across the room. Maybe they have that look or that swagger that is interesting and compelling, and it prompts you to walk across the room. And then you begin building a relationship. You start learning about each other's wants and needs, hopes and fears, and it's the same way with your clients. The thing about video ad campaigns is that they allow you to build a relationship with your client that's a lot more dynamic than a still image. Facebook ads require that we do something that all of us struggle with, especially if you're an introvert and you're at a party. Facebook ads require that we grab people's attention. Now, if you're like me, you walk into a party and you kind of want to be a wallflower. But when it comes to advertising, you have to grab people's attention. You need to slick back your hair. You need to put on your tie or your suit. You need to walk into a room. You need to impress some people. Same thing is true with your video ads. You have to grab people's attention. See, Facebook ads require that we grab people's attention. And attention is a very scarce and precious commodity, one that people don't give away lightly. So why would they give you their attention out of all the things calling for their attention on the internet? Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel.